Welcome back to the newscast. Daryl Clark sitting in for Mike Schultz, who has the evening off. Let's get right to it by taking a look at your conditions/almanac for the day. Our recent high 81 degrees. Recent low was 49 degrees overnight. Record high set in this date. See, it can get hotter. 90 degrees in 1948. Record low 37 degrees set in 1954. Sunrise and sunset equals 21 hours, 45 minutes of daylight. That's a gain of 5 minutes over yesterday. And winds are out of the east 5 to 15 miles per hour. Let's go ahead now and take a look at the Alaska satellite. Pretty much all well and nothing. As you can see, everything cleared out. Pretty nice. I mean, there is a system off of the Panhandle, but other than that, just clear as, and it's going to stay that way for the next day or so. Really nice conditions. Speaking of those, let's go ahead and take a look. Fort Yukon checking in with 75 today. 36 for Barrow and 59 for Nome, looking good. 76 degrees for Bethel. That's kind of unheard of, but it can happen, of course. Cold Bay checking in 57. Kodiak and Anchorage in the 70s for this time of year, and a little overcast due to that pressure system off of the Panhandle. 58 for Juneau, 59 for Ketchikan. Let's go ahead now and take a look at the lower 48, see what we can see. As you can see, wet conditions return to the Pacific Northwest area. Seattle, 76 degrees. San Francisco, cooler than normal, 67 degrees for this time of year. But look at where the heat wave is. Phoenix, Arizona, 115 degrees. They tied their record high for this date, 40-year record set, or tied today at least. Las Vegas, 107, and Salt Lake, 98 degrees. More wet conditions from that tropical depression storm Bill over the Texas. It's now working its way up north, but still bringing considerable amounts of rain for them. Minneapolis, 79 degrees. Same for Chicago. New York, 71 degrees. Some rain here and there. DC, 91, and looking marvelous down in the southeast. Miami, 91 degrees. That's where I want to be, that's for sure. Let's take a look at the satellite radar. As you can see, nothing real serious as far as severe thunderstorms, but still a couple of systems here and there will give some mist to the eastern states as well as the southern states, and but not expected to last too much longer, but we'll see what a day makes of that. Let's go ahead and take a look. Interior conditions, that's right, cooler on the coast, of course, but near record heat, like I said. Phoenix tying their record today. Very warm out there, so that's going to continue through the weekend. All right, taking a look at the forecast into the weekend. As you can see, the jet stream is steady. That means things to the west are hot and dry, and then right where you would see the jet stream, that's where some of those low pressure systems will start to develop, mixed with cooler air, giving us some storm systems, but nothing too heavy as far, or serious for that matter. Taking a look back at today's forecast for tomorrow for Alaska. Let's start up north. 54 degrees for Barrow, Fort Yukon, 81 degrees, and Nome, 74. Usually sunny skies. Let's take a look at the interior, see what we can see. More just gorgeous weather, of course. 85 degrees for us, Healy 83, and Delta 81. However, this is turning the place into a tinderbox, so we have to be careful. We don't have too many fires here, knock on wood, in the interior. Let's hope it stays that way. Scattered showers possible throughout the day on the southeast. Checking in with 60-degree temperature forecast for Juneau and Ketchikan. Bethel, 80 degrees. Can you believe that? But unfortunately, they're going to have some isolated thunderstorms, and with thunderstorms brings lightning and the possibility of some lightning strikes causing fires. So we'll have to watch out for that. Cold Bay and Kodiak, 60s as well. Go ahead right now into South Central and mostly sunny. Anchorage, 71 degrees, which is really good for them. Homer, 68. Valdez, 64. Oh, that'd be nice to be down there in a little cooler conditions than what but I'm not going to complain about our conditions right now, except to say we have a red flag warning, of course. It's been extended through midnight tomorrow night, and the hot temperatures and the low humidity will continue into the weekend. So please use caution. Caution, the key word there. Let's go ahead and take a look at our fishing conditions. Thanks to LifeMed Alaska, we're on the way. Valdez halibut fishing is excellent, but the salmon hasn't shown up yet. Kenai, good sockeye fishing, and for Kasilof as well, no kings. In the Matanuska Valley, catch and release only kings through June, so you've been warned. Okay, once again, thanks to LifeMed Alaska for that report. We're going to go ahead and take a look at our short-range forecast overnight tonight. Lows in the 50s, clear skies, very mild temperatures for this time of year. Tomorrow, 85 degrees, sunny, dry, and warm. And let's take a look at our extended temperatures in the 80s, overnight lows in the 60s. And that, folks, for solstice weekend is hot.
It is.
Yeah, very good.
Steamy.
Steamy.
Very hot.
It's the dry heat. That's right.